wonderful program today, and I think your first sports day. And
I loved the spirit of our little ones, whether they were doing their yoga or they were doing their taekwondo or their races, fun races. It was amazing that a few of them, while they could see that somebody has already come first, yet they've all finished the race.
Fantastic and vibrant sports day. All the activities and all the displays were very, very wonderful. So congratulations to the whole team.
The sports day has been a sheer victory in all ways. Surroundings were beautiful, the day was sunny. May God bless the school with limitless, unlimited sunny days.